give you 20 minutes to create. Now you will create your own product out of recyclable materials. It is your own product. So, I want you to pick here from the three gifts. I want to pick two here in front of which you want to like. This is those materials that you can use to create your own product. Okay. Roger, Elizabeth. Okay. Okay, you can open now. Okay, now you can start doing your own product using those materials. I'll give you 20 minutes to do it. Okay? Your timer starts now.
Dili nag-screenshot.
Okay, class.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, present your own recycling project here in one. Good afternoon, everyone. So this is my
Is a box. Came from cartoon, color paper, and then the last a colorful design paper. And you can get also a flower, and then use it 3 times. And this is my
Okay, thank you, Elizabeth. Okay, next.
Okay. Okay. So this is my recyclable materials by using cans, popsicle stick, cartoons, and a sticker. This is a holder of my pencils.
Okay, very good. Okay, all your recycling project made is excellent. So you get 50 points. Okay, now class, let's proceed. Okay, let's recall what you have learned today. Okay, we will have an activity called Q and A. Okay, now I will flash the question first, and I will pick the names of those who will answer each question using a spin wheel. So the name will pick in a spin wheel, or when the arrow stops in name, the name will be chosen to answer the question. And you will start by using a term I believe that commonly used during Miss Universe. Okay? Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. Okay. Okay, swirl lobster.
No.
Okay, let's spin again. Okay, and
I am here.
okay, your question is, what is our lesson for today?
Our lesson for today is all about the recyclable materials using the can, papers, bottles, and tires.
Okay, very good. Now, let's spin again for the second question. Whatever your question is, what is recycling?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe that the recycling is that the things that you can have seen in our home or any other things like pan, plastic bottle, any papers that we or carton that we can use to make an DIY or we can use like for example to make a pan. So we can use like this we can use the case and any other things.
Okay,
And
very
I thank you.
Very good. Now, for the okay, your question is, what are the recycled materials that we can use to create a new useful product?
I believe that the recyclable materials that we can use to create a new useful products are the cans and the cartons. Look at what the result of the cans and the cartons and also the popsicle. And I thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, for the first question, let's see. Okay, your question is, what is the importance of recycling?
Thank you for that wonderful question now. I believe that the importance of recycling in our life is that it's important because when we can afford to buy, like for example, we can afford to buy pencil case, we can afford to buy a pot for our flowers and any ornamental. So it is important. It's important because it can help us it is important because it help us to serve one.
Okay, very good, Elizabeth. Okay, for the last question, let's read again. Let's see. Okay, let's use again. Okay, your question is, does recycling help a community? Why or why not?
Thank you. Yes, teacher, recycling can help the community because if we recycle the materials that we don't use or we destroy on the farm, we can use it to create new and unique organizers. For example, the tires. We thought that tires is not useful because it doesn't use it, but it's useful for the plants. We can make it as a flower pot.
Okay, very good. I see that you all learned our lesson for today. So, we will have we will have a short quiz. Okay, get your paper and answer our quiz. Okay, now please read our direction.
Read and understand each question below. Choose the correct answer and write it in one hot sheet of paper.
Okay, you will start answering. I give you 5 minutes to answer your
Prepare the answer.
exchange
paper with your seatmates. That teacher. Okay. Who wants to answer for number 1? Okay, Rodrigo. Number 2, Elizabeth. Number 3, Rodrigo. Number 4, Elizabeth. And number 5. Okay. We can move up here. Okay, let's check if your answers are. Okay. Teacher, we got it right. Yay. Okay. Who got 5 points? Teacher. Okay, very good. Okay, for your assignment, get your assignment notebook and but before that, please read our directions.
Look for available recyclable materials in your home and transform them into functional and useful items. Please observe safety precautions while handling sharp and pointed tools.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. You can get help from your parents or older sister or brother. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, you can talk now.
That teacher.
Okay. Now everybody stand up. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, thank you for your participation for today. Keep safe.